Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. Kind of have a slight cold, stuffy nose, and a cough. Of course, as soon as I remember that I have a cough, I have to cough. But today I am heading to IAA, actually right now, and I am picking up my next purchase, which, you know, sometimes I buy things just to buy them. Sometimes I buy things just to say I've owned it. This thing that I purchased, I kind of don't know why I bought it. It's a 2016, I think, SYM scooter or moped, I don't know. It's made in China, and I think it's one of those that gets shipped over here and then you assemble it, or the dealer assembles it. The scooter brand new is about 2,000 bucks. I think $1,999 is the official price point for it. It's a small scooter, 50cc from what I've been able to gather from the pictures. So it's not going to be fast. It's not, or it wasn't sold as a run and drive. It was sold as a can't start, keys present. Now I've purchased, well, not me, my brother, but through my account, he purchased a Ford Focus that also was sold as can't start, keys present. And when we showed up to pick it up, it started on its own with no jump, like absolutely no issues. So I'm hoping this is the same case with the scooter. If not, then whoop-de-doo. But I paid, well, the winning bid was $150 for the scooter. After fees, I think it was 270 bucks. So when you buy cheaper cars, scooters, motorcycles, whatever, the fees tend to be higher, like percentage-wise, than if you were to buy a more expensive car, which kind of makes sense, but still slightly unfortunate that the fees are this high for such a small amount. Honestly, I don't even really know where the damage is. The scooter looked like it was totally fine, but I guess let's wait and see how it looks. Guys, I messed up. Today's auction day, so I highly doubt that they'll be pulling any cars out or mopeds or anything, but we'll try. No luck. But I should have known. But it's okay. I will return in a few hours, and we will get this little moped picked up. Look at my wonderful parking job so far out. Wow. But no matter what people say about the 6.4, it's been really, really great. Kind of forgot to show you guys a Mustang that I have. I actually took it to the shop and needs a new front bumper. So I have that and it's getting painted. But the car I picked up is a 2009 Nissan Versa S. So as far as I know, this is the base model. Excuse the wind, it is surprisingly windy today. It was super cold and we actually had snow overnight. So the damage is right here. Something fell on the roof. And I did not do a pickup video because when the insurance company released it to me or confirmed my purchase, I was in Sun River. So my brother and father were kind enough to pick it up for me, and they just took it to the lot and it sat there up until today. Oh yeah. So what's going on now is Fernando is on his way, should be here within an hour, and he is going to replace the front windshield and then the rear window right here. So I think I am going to clean this up a little bit for him so he doesn't have to pull all this tape off. This window is stained, so I'm gonna get this paint off, and then jumping back into this thing, and we're going to pick up the moped. You put a skirt on him? Why?
Because that's funny.
It's funny? Do you think it's funny? No? Got some heavier duty gloves on because I can guarantee you there's the glass and a bunch of it so that I don't cut myself. I don't think I've ever had a car that had a busted rear window. So this is a first for me. But hopefully he could get it done. He's done maybe 10 cars for me by now. Super awesome guy. Oh, I'm gonna tackle it with 2 hands. There's more damage right here. I really hope that that's not going to get in the way of replacing that rear window. If it does, man, that's another problem on my hands that I do not want. Oh, and ironically, if that happens, I don't have tape to cover up this back window. I'm gonna have room in the garage. And we are off. I have this little guy with me. We're gonna go pick up this cool street bike, you know? Today's a rough, windy day. Oh my goodness. So I bought this truck to tow with, but I have yet to tow with it. But we got the paperwork all sorted out. I am waiting for someone to bring the moped out. I plan on just literally parking it somewhere here and then using a strap or 2 to tie it down. Another gentleman bought a motorcycle. I mean, mine is so much cooler. Wonder what that is. Harley Davidson. Looks like a Harley. Maybe it's Speedster. Although I don't know much about Harleys. But that's a beauty. It doesn't even look like it has a lot of damage. Yeah, mine is definitely not as cool as that. I've actually wanted one because, you know, this is like an entry-level Harley. And they are nice. I do like them. It looks like they took off the pipes, the slip-on pipes. Man, it's cold outside. Woo. But glad I got that taken care of. Gotta take off these gloves. Now let's get it home and see if it will start and run on its own. Here it is, guys. This is the damage right here. I am going to see if I could find some new plastics. I believe they're called fairings. This is kind of busted up. This is bent. Possibly be able to fix it. So it's definitely in worse shape than I thought it would be. Look at this, guys. So I was able to find the battery, and very uncomfortably with these massive, yep. So it just died. It took a while to start. It took, I don't know, 30-40 seconds of cranking until this thing got going. I'm assuming it's been sitting for a very long time. It may need a new battery. Maybe pull this one out, put it on the battery tender, and then see how it goes from there. If not, I'll order a new one. But thanks guys for joining. This is gonna be the end of this video. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video.